Jasmine?
Yes, hi.
Hi. You're suing your mom.
Yes, I'm suing my mom for taking away our nanny. And at least, at the most, she could bring her in 3 times a week. I mean, we are left so confused and so practically devastated. We don't know what to do.
All right, what was your nanny's name?
Christina.
All right. How did she function in the house?
Well, she was practically a mother because our mother did work often. And she would raise us, teach us right from wrong, pretty much everything a mother's job would do.
All right. And this is Amanda. How old are you, Amanda?
13.
Come and stand because I want to ask you a question. How old were you when the nanny came?
I was 1.
Oh, you were 1 and you were 3.
Yes.
All right. How long has she been gone?
For a while now.
Like a few months?
Yes.
All right. Have you tried talking with your mother about this?
Yeah. In different ways. We never fully came out with it. We always just kind of would use sarcasm and be like, well, if Christina was still here, we'd put it in probably not the best ways, but...
Why is Christina gone? In terms of your mind?
I think she's gone because with my parents' recent divorce, there's a shortage in, money.
What do you need Christina for?
Well, it's just, there's this empty space in her house, kind of, and, also...
So let me ask you this so I can try to paint a picture. I'm gonna come into your home because that's the only way I can figure out. But we are happy that your mother came because some parents wouldn't have even come.
Yeah.
So you know now, just by virtue of her being here, that she wants to listen. All right? Christina cooked and cleaned and did everything that nannies do. But she was also there for you emotionally?
Yes.
For both of you?
Yes.
Yeah.
How did you think of her?
I thought of her like a second mom.
You did?
Yeah.
All right. Did you think of her more like a mom than your own mom?
No.
You
She
just
was just there for me, and